What is up, YouTubers? Welcome back. Made it into the new house. Slowly getting unpacked. Jeep's liking the new driveway. But yeah, so everything's coming along pretty well. Except this one little problem that I have. I have this super awesome garage that I had to do something with. Lots of potential, lots and lots of potential, but it's gonna take some work. So yeah, I mean, a lot of this stuff's gonna have to come down. We're gonna pull all this old pegboard down, all these hooks and junk out the wall, pull all that out. It's got some pretty sweet storage built in. It's like giant storage, like tons of room. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on cleaning and organizing some of this and see what we kind of got to work with. Cool. So got a good bit accomplished. A lot of boxes and stuff brought to the recycle center from packing and moving, of course. But yeah, so I mean, you can see the space is pretty legit. I mean, it's a big space. I have a few plans for the bikes. The bikes are actually going to be on here, so I'm going to make a hanging rack here to store the bikes that are going to hang here, and there'll be a shelf above it for all the bike gear, the helmets, you know, my bike gear, pads and whatnot, and the BMX bike will hang as well. And then we're gonna have a shelving system somewhere designed, I don't know, something here. Anyways, this is gonna go right here. We're gonna pull this off the old pegboard. So yeah, I'm going to I guess build a nice frame here, and we'll take the pegboard 4x8 sheet and we'll lay it sideways here and have all the tools stored there. For sure, lights. So we got a couple lights that are out above there and over there and over there. So that is going to be upgraded, of course, make it a little brighter. And this is actually a pretty sweet little storage cabinet here where the hot water heater and stuff's at. We'll do some type of organization in here. For now, everything's just kind of thrown around just as best as we can fit it. But yeah, I guess yeah, still got a lot of work to do, but making progress.